When you're learning a program like AutoCAD, it's very normal to have a lot of questions. And by looking at these icons at the ribbon, these icons look a little cryptic. But look, there are some helps here. If you hover over any of these options, there's a tooltip here which tries to help you by giving you a very short description of what that icon does. If you wait a little longer, there's even more help, and there's a graphical help which tells you how this icon is being used, which is called the extended tooltip. But what if I need more help? But take a look at the bottom of that tooltip. It gives you a shortcut to more help, and if we press that shortcut, let's press that shortcut and see what happens. AutoCAD tries to find some help for you, and here it is, Autodesk. And in the 2012 version, it opens in Autodesk Exchange and the help menu here. First of all, AutoCAD tells you how you can access that icon, that command here. It tells you from various places you can access that command, and then gives you a summary how to use it, how to multiply. In this case, we have used the help on copy, how to use multiple copy and other things. Then it gives you an related subjects, which you can, if you'd like, you can access those from right here and get help on that subject. Now take a look at here. In the 2012 version, the design of the help commands here have changed just a little here. You could find the command you want by browsing, and one way was to access it from within the AutoCAD, and the other ways are here by browsing all the various commands, or another better way is to search on a specific command you would like. For example, we say copy and press enter. See what happens. There are a lot of helps here. Copy and a lot of other kind of copies that you may find those helpful too. And here comes the same subject we looked at it. For now we are going to go and close this, and it's the same help window we saw it here, and we can just click on that and we see it here, and we use all those helps here. When we click on those from the help menu here, there are additional resources, basics and tutorials. You could go to the tutorials to learn some things that are needed, and here is other stuff. Just you could find what you want by just browsing inside of them, and you could specify where you want to look for the thing you need. For now we are going to close this, and the help tooltip, it's not only in the AutoCAD itself at the icons and model space, it works in the other dialog boxes as well. For example, we're gonna take a look at the plot dialog box here and see how it works in there. And take a look, if we if we, for example, hover on any of these, there's a description here which says what this specific option does. And take a look on all of these dialog boxes. There are some helps on top of that, which by just pushing that you could get all help you need from that. But we're not going to talk a lot about the plugin. This is for another lesson. We're gonna close that and see how we could get help from the active command we have. For example, we select the line command here, and if we wanted to get help from that, we just push the F1, and there we go, we get the help for that in the Autodesk Exchange or the help window here. We're going to close this. We already looked at it. Another very good way to find the help you need is by going to the application menu, and there's a search bar right here. You can search here, for example, the plot, and press the enter. You will find it. And another way, by going to that again and clicking plot, there are all the ways here which you could access for that command best matches. And from the quick access toolbar right here and application menu, all the ways you could easily access, and there are more down here. When you want to learn a program like AutoCAD, as I said, it's very normal to ask a lot of questions, and fortunately AutoCAD itself helps you to find any kind of help you need on that subject, on any subject that you need help on it.